Welcome back to another video. So I know this week we were supposed to be installing suspension on the Mugen EL, but Mercer got really tied up, and you know, I had to spend some time with the family as well, dedicate the weekend to the family. I honestly didn't really feel like doing an install, but we are going to be showing you the new suspension. So I'm gonna be unboxing the new Ktuned K1R suspension. So it's a revised version of the K1s, and it's for the 01 to 05 Civic slash 02 06 RSX and EP3. So I gotta shout out the guys at Garage 16 for helping us out, and shout out to Ktuned for always making some of the best parts for street, track, and you know, all those good stuff. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you. That's the box, and we're gonna dive right into it. We're gonna, you know, open it up and check out the suspension. I'm really pumped because a lot of people say good things about Ktuned suspension, and I was really happy with the D2 suspension, but after almost 6 years, they're done. We need new suspension. The cars actually felt really great with just the Progress front and rear sway bars that we have installed in them with the blown suspension. But obviously with the blown suspension, you can actually feel that the blown suspension is blown. You hear all the thunking and everything, but surprisingly it's helped the body roll a lot. So once we install these, hopefully this coming week, we can do a full driving review on it and see how everything acts together, because I'm also thinking of getting a set of these for the spooniest one, because we did find some problems with the current suspension on the spooniest one. Some, I guess, stress cracks, and the bushings on the bottom are shot on them, so it's time to upgrade them too. So we'll see how these ones go. So without further ado, let's dive into it and check them out. Got our trusty X-Acto knife, so we'll start off by cutting the straps. The one plus of having Ktuned here in Canada is if there is any problems, their warranty is really well, so I can't complain. I've had to return some Ktuned products just because, you know, sometimes you do have that bad apple where it didn't pan out, but great service, and you know, the team of Garage 16 always helps us out, and they suggested the new revised ones, so I'm super excited. Let's grab the camera to show you guys. So that's the packaging right now. Alright guys, so I got one of the front shocks and one of the rear shocks out, along with the adjustable keys and the knobs for the adjustment on the dampening. And guys, these things look freaking beautiful, man. Holy, look at this thing. Well built, legit well built. I really like these compared to the way the D2s were built. This is our front driver, camber plate, everything. But for the price that these things are marketed at, fantastic. I'm honestly super excited that we're going to be installing these this upcoming week. We're obviously going to probably take them all apart, anti-seize everything, because it is a daily, and you know, it's a must. You have to anti-seize everything, so that way these are always free to spin and everything. It's something Mercer always does. But wow, these things are beautiful. The packaging though, guys, this is the first time I've ever seen coils come packaged like this. This is definitely unique, but man, I'm super pumped. Like, this is just a little video to show you guys the suspension. I wasn't planning on vlogging anything today, or sorry, anything for this week. I wanted to take a week off YouTube, just kind of like regroup and, you know, but then the plug called me and said the coils are in. And even though I know we weren't going to be doing an install, I wanted to share these with you guys. So they look fantastic. I'm honestly super happy. They're gonna look obviously better on the car, and I gotta also get those the socks to protect these from any grime and everything. Even though we are anti-seizing them, but still gonna put the socks to protect them, you know, from the weather. But you know, shout out to the plug, Garage 16. Thank you guys for always hooking us up with the greatest parts, and shout out to Ktuned for making some dope ass parts. That's gonna pretty much do it for this video. It's a small little video, guys, just to show you what we're gonna be installing. And I think that will be pretty much it for all the suspension components on Ashley's car. Like I said, we are gonna be upgrading all the bushings. So the rear bushings on the control arms that we currently have, and the front bushings that we currently have on the control arms, we're going to be upgrading to the red energy bushing set. Currently have the black energy bushing set on it, so we're gonna go with the reds to make it a little bit stiffer. I'm also planning on doing that on the spooniest one as well, just to make it more stiff. Spherical is not really an option for me, especially you know, I don't think they would do well in the winter. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the K1Rs. It's just a revised version of the K1s, and I think the spring rate, they changed the spring rate a little bit. I'm not too sure. I'll have more info on that when I do the install with Mercer. So guys, thanks for tuning in for this little unboxing clip. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm obviously going to see you guys in the next one. Just send it. Peace.